Good morning, YouTube. This is Bubba's Fabrication here. Just wanted to go over a quick video on how to fix a common problem with the Fords, whether it be a SUV or a Super Duty. This is a fairly common problem. It's with the backup camera. Now, I can show you here if you are experiencing problems with your backup camera and you're putting it in reverse and you're getting either a fuzzy picture or your camera saying that it cannot display, so something similar to this, or your camera is just saying that you need to see your dealership. This is how you fix it more commonly than not. So what happens is there is a harness that's just above the parking brake here, and that harness controls your backup camera and a couple of other things on the vehicles. And that harness, with your parking brake coming up and releasing, as you guys can see when I pull this, that parking brake comes up and hits pretty hard, and what it does is it wiggles that connector loose and causes connection issues. Now, to fix this, very commonly what you can do is get down here on the floor, push your parking brake all the way down, and if you look directly above the parking brake, I don't know if you guys can see it right there, there is a fairly large harness that's got a gray handle on it. Now, that harness needs to be unplugged and plugged directly back in. A lot of times that will fix your problem, and moving forward you will need to make sure that anytime you release your parking brake, keep your foot on it so that it doesn't slam up so hard and jiggle that connector loose again. So that's the first thing to check. Now, I'm not sure if this is the case on SUVs as well, but on the trucks it's fairly common. If you come around back here, the backup camera obviously is right here. This one has the camera in the emblem, but there's also some that have the camera here in the handle. But there is, if you come straight down the to the right side of the license plate, you'll see, I don't know if you guys can see that there, but there's a little orange plug hanging down, and I'll do my best to point it out. I'm kind of pointing the flashlight at it there. So if you go underneath the truck, right beneath the bumper and above the hitch, and guys, this is an F250, just to let you know, so you can look straight up here and there's a plug. So you see the hitch, it's right there, and if you take that plug and unplug it, spray it out really good, not spray it, but blow it out really good with a air compressor, and plug it back in with dielectric grease. Use some dielectric grease, plug that back in, and a lot of times that'll fix the problem, if the problem isn't already up front. Now, the reason that this happens is there's a lot of road grime and things that gets up in that plug, and it causes connection issues. So a lot of times this will fix the problem. Just to show you guys real quick, here is some dielectric grease right up here that I use. You guys can pick it up at your local hardware store if you don't have it already, but it's just Permatex dielectric grease. If you guys have any questions on this, please feel free to comment down below, and I can help you with mostly any questions you have in regards to this. Thanks guys for watching.